Hey guys, what's up? I know I haven't talked in my videos before, so it's my first video. Yeah, I'm kind of really weird right now for some apparent reason. Got a little sick today. I'm still making a video, so I went to the stores today. Bought two of them are like NASCAR cars. If you guys don't know about that, which most of you should know about that, is that a great American race that take cars, and customize them, and then they race for hundreds of laps around one track. So here's my first car I bought. Dale Earnhardt Jr. Diet Mountain Dew. It's last year's edition. New Year's haven't come out yet. Well, the bigger edition, yeah. So, then this part here, it's got only the Mountain Dew part here just has it. Most of them don't. Impala Chevy 88. Its headlights aside, great color effect on the little lines, smoking parts. 88 red. This is Diet Mountain Dew. Yeah, sorry for too close. I can't read it. So the same side over here. BacksideNationalGuard.com. Chevy. So here's my favorite driver. And if you guys disagree on him, it's okay. But I finally got his new car. Jeff Gordon. Drive to End Hunger. Well, I got this from limited edition, which he'd never used before last year. So it's right here. It's a little chase. He never used it. Chevy, same thing as the other 24. He doesn't have stickers a lot here, but he does. There you go. It says Drive to End Hunger. AARP DuPont, which used to be his old one. Text hunger to 5. Let's see. Can't read this. 50555. And I don't know if that's real. But yeah. They're both alike. Okay, now, as you all know, the tragic story of this man about his father. Yes, some of you know where I'm going from this. No, don't get excited. I don't have his car. Number 3. Legendary man. The son of 88. Died 2001. First race. Last lap. Daytona 500. And I got his trail right here. His nickname was the Intimidator. He copied everybody's moves and crashed them up. Number 3. Here's his sign. And you can take it off. Yeah, I got all of these. The truck, $14 at Walmart. This car, $4. And this one I bought separate from another store from Walgreens, $6. So adding all of that. So I bought these two together. This one was separate. I had this one for weeks, and then I bought these two today. But that's probably it. Oh yeah, one more. Forgot. And this is really old. This kind. Yeah, it's the same as this one, but more last year kind. I know it's a little scratched up from there. So I got that, all of that. So, first time video talking. Sorry about that. Well, in one video I do talk. So yeah, thanks for watching.